Hi guys, and welcome to the Android tutorial YouTube channel. Today we're gonna unbox the Moto X4, which is an Android One device by Motorola. And this is, as I was saying, an Android One device, which means that it has the Android at its best, as they say it. Basically, this type of software improves and has the latest operating system. It is now updatable to Android Oreo and probably to Android P, to whatever it means. So this is a Motorola phone, and what it has on the box, we're gonna see it soon, but it has the Moto X, of course, the turbo power charger, USB, and guides. So there's not much to see from the outside. You can see the phone. I got, I think, the black version. Motorola on one side, Android One on the other side. So much information from one side and empty here. So that would be basically it. So let's open it up. Okay, so first up, oh, I like this. First up, you can see the Moto X4 as the black one, as I told you, pretty slick. Let's leave it to the side. A little bit of a box. So let's open it up and see what it has inside. Okay, so it has some guides. By the way, this is a Project Fi edition because there are basically 3 or 4 Moto X4s. This is the Project One edition, there's an Amazon edition, and there's a normal one. So this is the one I got, and I'm gonna make a review of what Project Fi is and my experience with it. I love it, to be honest with you. But that's basically it. There's not much to see here. The SIM injection tool, and that would be basically it. And on the box it has a USB Type-C device and a normal one on the other side, and the turbo charger, which apparently it charges very fast. We should make a test about that. Okay, so this is the phone. You can see it here. This is the Nexus 6P, so you can see it's a little bit bigger than the Moto X4. I will have to get used to that, but I don't think that would be a problem. And the black looks really nice. You can see the normal Motorola hump on the camera, and I will have to test it. Apparently it got better over the update to Oreo. Okay, so let's check the Moto X4 out. So on this side you got the volume rockers and the power button, which does feel very clicky. On the top side you got the SIM and a microphone. You got nothing on the left side, and below you got the USB Type-C port and an audio jack, which is awesome. On the front you got the fingerprint reader, the camera, and a flash, which I love. To the back you got 2 cameras, the Motorola logo and the Android One logo, so that's pretty cool. So that would be the initial unboxing. I'm going to be testing this phone out during the whole week. This is gonna be my daily driver for a while, and I'm gonna make a review of my experience with it. So guys, if you like this, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.